Oh, someone I call.
It's probably my brother or something. Don't worry about it.
I can't believe we skipped school.
Still not pick up him phone. I've been texting him all day. I think he's probably mad at me or something. I really thought Tony did love me.
You love me, Tony?
Of course I love you, baby.
Sydney, me talk to you later, okay? I have some stuff to do.
Sorry to me that's supposed to be. Marsha, that don't look anything like me.
I thought you said it wouldn't be judgmental or shame.
Yeah, you're right. Did promise him what I teach you. Shauna, I'm sorry, but I had some stuff to do. That's why
You told me, said me and you would go on a date today. So are you coming for me after school or not?
Of course I'm coming, but I have to finish some stuff on the road first.
Yeah, sure. Alright. Anything you say, Oliver. Did you also forget that me and you supposed to do a project together for class? And you're not even here. You know, so you have to make this up to me, right? Or else.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. I'm sorry, Shauna. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm
Well,
really
you better tell me somewhere nice today. Like how you made me do all the work by myself. I'll talk to you later, okay? I'm not in the mood right now.
Shauna, wait, hello? Hello?
Oh, Masha. Sorry. I forgot to tell you that cheerleading practice is cancelled today.
I guess that's two of my plans and will get messed up today. Susie didn't come to school today, so I guess I have to go to the mall by myself.
Oh, she didn't come today? I'm really sorry to hear that. You know, you should have asked me. Me and you could have gone to the mall together.
She just texted me. She said to meet up at Sovereign Mall.
Oh, really? You know, some ears say when I saw them now while I have a sale. You can head out from now, man. We're gonna have cheerleader practice Monday, okay?
Alright, now let's swap the dresses them tonight and they'll send you the pictures of them. Show you all them look. Trust me, you're gonna love these.
Alright, later. Yeah, hello? Yeah. Remember me? Yeah. Yeah, oh, a Sovereign. Sovereign Mall, closest. Alright. Send you the picture so you know what she look like. Okay? Oh my god, who is that girl, Tony?
Oh, Sydney, I know what you look like, man.
What do you mean it's not what you look like? Why are you kissing that girl? Who is she?
Let me tell you something, I had CPR class today. A CPR, where do my mister?
People do CPR standing up since
It's a
when?
new form of CPR, man. When you stand up, the person have a more, a more chance of surviving if them are dead. A new practice, man. Them just make it up. Them just invent it.
Tony, that's so amazing. Go and do what you have to do, man, so you can save people's lives.
Thank you for being so understanding, baby. No, man, I see whole heap of people life. You're gonna be really proud of me. I remember she's supposed to take me out to KFC later on, so I'm gonna see.
Don't worry about that, Tony. Go and go work in
Alright,
CPR.
baby. Alright, later, alright?
Alright, later. You're doing a great job. Susie? You name Susie, right? So tell me something, Susie. Why me here say you in a bedroom locked up with my man? I'm cousin birthday party. Birthday party? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, so you lick your head. You never do one party with my man. What do you, yeah, when cousin did keep?
Wait there, yeah. First of all, nobody don't want your man. Me and him was just talking. So I don't know where you get your information.
So I say you go around and talk to people, man, in a bedroom? Eh?
My girl, whoever tell you these things, go and listen to them because I do not want your boyfriend. Me already have my man. Why would I want your...
Me, I go see you again.
Oh shit, I never see you. What you doing here? How you been? Oliver's not here now. I think I'm going on the road. Him say him have to do something after school. You can text him, ask him which time there.
I never Oliver come look for. Just see want come check by you to see if you're alright. Maybe I wonder if you need any help around the house, something for fix, or just help around the house.
Not really, no. But if you want something to eat, you can come.
So Tony, I broke you out.
No, I really had to do something today, Shauna.
Yeah, sure. So, which buy you bring me? But I don't want to go back to TGI Friday, you know. I was thinking maybe something more, you know, lavish.
No, I can't today. I don't have enough money. My dad was supposed to send money, but he didn't. Maybe we can go to like KFC or something.
Alright, not really my thing, but I just want to spend time with you.
Alright, thanks for understanding, Shauna.
But next time, bring me somewhere nice. Okay? I mean, you do owe me. I did the presentation all by myself.
Shit, I'm so sorry, Shauna. I promise I'm gonna make it up to you. As soon as my dad sends money, I promise I'm gonna make it up to you, okay? I won't disappoint you this time.
So how's school, Oshin? You doing good?
Yeah, man, how was I do good in that school?
That's good. School is important.
Yeah, but no.
Focus on your work and not them girl here, right? Trust me, you have a whole heap of time to think about woman. I never really take high school seriously, especially when me did migrate.
Yeah, no, I don't have no interest in none of them girl at school. Besides, I like women to be more mature and more sensible to life.
Smart way to think.
Sorry, Diana. My mother there. I mean, she told me she should come, but I thought she would have just, do our usual thing.
Yeah, that's good.
I forgot home now. Thanks for the food, Diana.
Listen, don't worry about it. Anything you want somebody to talk to, you can come here, alright? I will all a reasoning.
Alright, later, Diana.
Well, so Mr. Davis will have all the work set in for tomorrow. No, because I'm staying in Jamaica for a while. Just email the paperwork. Alright. Okay, I'll talk to you later. We'll talk more about it tonight. Okay? I am counting on you to do this for me, Alright? Oh, Shane. I've been waiting all day for you. Where have you been? School let out a long time ago. Oh shit, hold on. One of my clients. Hello? Hi, Mr. Anderson. Yes. Just email it to Melissa. Yes, my secretary. Alright. Don't worry about it, Miss Anderson. I'll deal with all of it. Okay? I'm on vacation right now. Alright. I'll speak to you later. I know I promised that we were going to have dinner tonight or shit, but I have to head out on the road. I have some stuff I need to deal with. For your father.
Yeah, that's alright, Bobby. We understand. I'll just get some dinner from the shop. Miss Alice is supposed to cook.
Alright, I'm glad that you understand. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you. I'll bring you to Beach's Hotel. We'll have a little fun, okay? But I'll see you later. I'm going to be very late. So, enjoy your day, Ocean. My father was inside, I'll invite you in. But maybe next time when I'm not here, okay? And maybe I haven't had fun in a while. Well, clear your schedule so we can come over Tuesday. Alright?
Shauna, I never repeatedly tell you I don't want to hang up with a boy there anymore. And you're disrespecting me and even bringing the boy in front of my house? When did you become so unruly, Shauna? Eh? What, you are in up?
What, in up? Like Cheyenne? How is that my fault? I mean, I was just talking to him. Come here, a project for the daddy.
I don't feel comfortable with you hang up with that boy. Plus, Mommy said,
I don't know why you're so fixed with me, daddy. I just want to get a good grade in a school.
I know, baby, but I don't feel comfortable with you hang out with him. I mean, Mommy said him been hanging out with Susie. I mean,
Some people not allowed to have friends anymore, daddy. I don't care that I hung out with Susie. Him is just my friend. That's it, nothing else. I thought you trusted me, but no. You know what?
Shauna,
No, if you think so less of me, I might as well.
I don't think less of you, Shauna. I even had a problem. I just want you to be safe. I don't want nothing happen to you.
I really thought you trusted me, daddy. Oh, Susie.
Oh, hey, Dad. I'm sorry I missed your call. I was on the road today. Yeah, I was hanging out with Shauna.
I just want to see you safe. But I'll send the money to you Monday, alright? So you can go collect it at Western Union.
Thanks, Dad. But I was wondering, like how I'm getting such good grades, could you send me extra? Like $100? I would really appreciate it, Dad. I wanna buy a an outfit because we're gonna have Jeans Day soon. So I would appreciate if you send me
No say a word, man. Me understand.
Thanks, Dad. I really appreciate it. So, how's Mom and Aunt Tavia? Are they okay? I miss you guys so much. When are you guys gonna come visit?
Well, not this year, that's for sure. But your mother won't go there on a wedding. So maybe sometime next year, we'll come visit you, alright?
Oh yeah, I forgot I was getting married. How's Junior? I didn't hear from him today.
Tell me say my work leave in the office. Me text him, ask him if I'm okay, alright? Don't worry about him, man.
Alright, Dad, I love you, okay? And tell Mom I love her too, alright? I know she must be worried. Later.
Before you hang up in, I need to call her something, alright? Cause she really worried about you. She wonder what you been up to. Also, she don't really want you to talk to about a girl. But I'm gonna make her ease off for you so you can live your life. Alright? I love you, son. Bye. Take care of yourself, okay? Love you. Yeah, man. Love you, son. Later.
Well, monk talking about one boy busy now. Move no man. Look like a wanna. Man now kiss you up like Oliver now. Go on. Move. Shoo. Miss if you move. Go on, man. Come near me again and you see when I silly out to Mr. Chit. Make him curry up. I see the night Chinese restaurant. Move. Oliver, talk to your dog now.
Why you always being so mean to him? So what's up? What's going on?
Damn, me if you do me a favor, right? May I bring this catty? God, the abandoned old supposed to bring her cousin. You know, mother take on the two of them, you know, but you know what? She don't really swing them with it. So come with me, now, man.
I don't think that's a good idea. I mean, well, I don't want to get involved with another girl.
Understand, so you and Susie are one thing in the man, but my youth, you're young. You're not supposed to have one girl, you're supposed to have a dozen girl. I want to your man, follow me, no man. To be a favor, no.
You know what? Okay, I'll come.
Ah, thank you, God. When I fear cancel on this a trip here. You no worry, man. Me I will make it up to you. Promise you that. Yo, Oliver, for one man, me a blue balls in apart. Get him away, power in a bad that house. Trust, y'all enjoy yourself. Pum pum galore. Me tell you, man, the two are we? Two galleys. When we done, we see what I've gear from all over. They say my real friend, you know, he's our cousin pretty. All of that are you, you know. Bro, God, all of that are you. Wish I didn't need still, but you know, my girl, she too, she not freaky. Shauna came. I'm a friend that's in my name Oliver. Come from Canada. You family have money. All you done, man. Go and go.
Wagwan, you're cute though, man.
Oh, thanks. You're pretty. My name is Oliver. I mean, yeah.
I know a man 20 hours at the hotel. So you come from Canada. So, how long you in Jamaica for?
Oh my. It depends on my parents, I guess. Hopefully, a while. I mean, I'm really enjoying myself. It's really fun here.
No worry, man. If you're part with me, I'm sure you're all over. You'll have the most fun you ever have down here, trust me. Come on, we're going to the house.
Can you ease up a little bit, please?
Why? You nervous?
Oh no, I mean, I just met you. I mean...
So? Man, relax. Enjoy yourself like them.
I wonder which boy you did. Yeah, knock the door all long, nobody not answer.
Junior, what are you doing here? Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Because I really want daddy to know somebody here. Listen, why you do a favor for me, alright? I don't want you to tell nobody, but what me I go show you. Have a stay between me and you.